Tommy Vercetti? Shit.
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shovels shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
We interrupt your programming with a message from the State Department. All bridges and some roads in the Vice City metropolitan area have been closed because of a severe weather warning. Meteorologists are tracking Hurricane Hermione, which has devastated 5 Caribbean islands and is heading for Vice City. More updates soon.
Last night a DJ saved my life.
Suspect not seen West 5 Point. This is radio control. We got an incident in Little Haiti. Disturbance in progress. Over. Nothing going on.
You think that's funny?
We've got a request for backup. Suspect not seen Northwest Washington Beach. Here, again, here. We got an emergency situation on Ocean Beach. All services requested. I suspect not seen Not a big deal. Washington Just a Beach. couple of idiots with a case of giggle cream. I gave him a little beating. Nothing too serious.
I'll murder you.
Suspect was seen northwest Washington Beach. I need a slot real fast.
Yoke you up, son.
Suspect in Nashville, police car. There is a Benz 90 northwest Ocean Beach. There is a Benz 21 northwest Ocean Beach. Suspect was seen central Ocean Beach. Protections before West Washington Beach. Protections 19 West Washington Beach. Protections 21 West Washington Beach.
like you look. Stupid.
Respond to a 1021 Central Washington Beach. Suspect last seen in a police car. There is a 1019 Southwest Washington Beach. Suspect last seen West Washington Beach. This was a 1021 Southwest Washington Beach. I got a stolen squad car driving erratically. There is a 1021 Northwest Ocean Beach. There is a 1024 Northwest Ocean Beach. Suspect on foot.
Leave an old lady alone.
There is a 1024 Northwest Ocean Beach.
The Waibatsu Thunder.
Hello, welcome back to K-Chat. I'm a woman, so I know it's important to discuss feelings. That's why we don't have any male hosts on this station. People open up more to women. I was telling my girlfriend